Securing your savings is key to financial peace of mind. A money market account is a fantastic tool for this. It's like a hybrid, combining the stability of a savings account with the flexibility of a checking account. It's a place where your money can grow, but still be there when you need it. When it comes to a TD Bank money market account, the details around your balance are critical. While many people worry about the initial deposit, it's actually the ongoing balance that matters most for avoiding fees. If you're looking at the TD Growth Money Market account, you'll want to pay close attention to the minimum daily balance requirement. Keeping a balance of $2,000 in that account is the key to waiving the monthly maintenance fee. That's the magic number for keeping your account free of that recurring cost. There's another option, too. You can also have the fee waived if you link the money market account to an eligible TD checking account, such as a TD Relationship Checking or TD Beyond checking account. This linkage essentially uses your whole banking relationship with TD to meet the requirement. For small business owners, TD offers a different money market product. The TD Small Business Premium Money Market account has a different threshold. For this account, you need to maintain a higher minimum daily balance of $2,500 to avoid the monthly maintenance charge. So, while the money market account helps your savings grow, being smart about your balance is what keeps your money truly working for you. Always check the specific account details for the most up-to-date fee structure and requirements, as these can change. Make sure you know which minimum to meet, so your hard-earned money stays where it belongs, in your account.